Hello, so here is a video how to operate the TV at the apartment. The TV has two remotes. This one is for the TV and this one is for the cable channels. First, we will turn on the TV with this remote, push the red button. So now the TV is already on the cable channels. We can switch channels with this remote, press up and down, and to switch between channels. Now, if you want to get out of the cable channels for Netflix or something like this, we will use this button, this remote, press the house button, then you will have all the options like Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV, or many other applications. And if you want to get back to the cable channels, you just press this one, HDMI 1, and then you will get back to the cable channels. To turn off the TV, press the red button again.